So I'm going to show you the steps involved with installing the VPS dust kit. Basically, you take the roller assembly here and it mounts to the counterbalance. A couple bolts and nuts, 9/16, and then we just need to secure this roller assembly in place to the counterbalance on top, just like so. The dust hose goes through the roller assembly. Once you get the roller assembly mounted up top, the hose comes up through that roller assembly. Then you're going to connect it to the steel elbow. And then the elbow gets connected to the dust extraction tube. And you can see that it's notched out here. And it inserts into the blade guard dust port. And it's notched out to fit around the saw blade. And you can adjust it nice and close to your workpiece. And once you get it where you need it, and you can secure it in place with this hose clamp. Just like that.